What's good, people? This is Adrian Omega, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I created this channel to help inspire people and also to help them improve with their traditional and their digital artwork. Now, I don't know everything there is to know about the art world, but I do have some great tips and advice, and I also am still pursuing getting better at my art. So hopefully the newer things that I learn in the future, I can apply that to my work and also teach you guys, and we can grow together. That's my ultimate goal with this channel. So if you want to improve and get good, stay tuned. Okay, a little background on me. I'm a freelance photographer, freelance cinematographer, and also a freelance artist. I would say I'm self-taught. I would draw pictures of comic books, movie characters, also portraits of people on my own with no kind of knowledge or skill whatsoever. And then I actually started taking a few classes in school. At a community college, I took a couple figure drawing courses, also as well as a couple digital art courses. And it just got way too expensive for me. If you want to take that route, by all means, please go ahead and do that. Now, I've heard horror stories, I've also heard success stories, but on this channel, I'm going to show you some more valuable resources that you can use. Now, these are great resources. Only thing is you have to do a lot of legwork and a lot of research. Hopefully, all the legwork and research that I put in, I can cut that journey in half for you. Now, with my daytime job, I travel a lot. I'm always on the road from hotel to hotel. On the road, I bring my iPad Pro, my Apple Pencil, and my MacBook. But when I'm not on the road, I come here to my studio / office. Now, this space is a room, an extra room in my parents' house. It's on the second floor, and it was just an empty space. I spoke with them about maybe renting it out, bringing a little bit of equipment here and there. But it turned out like this. But good news is my wife and I have recently purchased a home, and it's being built right now, and it'll be finished by the end of July. So hopefully my plans with turning the garage into a studio will happen sooner than later, but we'll get there. So for now, let's just enjoy the space that I'm in right now. I have my drafting desk right here, also the desk for my dual monitors with my iMac, and sometimes I hook up my MacBook Pro to it. Over here is where I have my t-shirt printing equipment, or the hot press, and also the printer. And yes, I know you want to ask, those are shoes. I have a problem. I have a lot of shoes, a lot. But I believe that's what life's all about, doing whatever you love, as long as it's within the means of your living. Now, I'm fortunate enough and blessed to have a well-paying job, to be able to support my family and also buy the things that I like. Hey, if you're also a shoe collector, let me know in the comments below. But back to the topic, learning how to get good at art. So in my next couple of videos, I'm gonna go over the pros and cons of traditional art and also digital art, so that you can determine which route you wanna take on your own. Now, I know you've probably heard this from every single artist, and it's probably frustrating to hear. I hate to disappoint you, but it's the truth. You have to draw. Draw, draw, draw. That's the bottom line of it. Especially if you're trying to make this a career. You have to condition yourself to sit or stand in a stationary position and draw for 8 hours a day, consistently. Okay. But we'll get into that in the future video. So take this journey with me, we can learn together and we can grow together. Now, this next part, this is a time lapse that I participated in on Instagram. It's called Draw This in Your Style. But this challenge in particular was hosted by Angel Ganev. I'm not sure if I'm saying his name correctly, so I apologize. But every week he posts a picture on Friday, and you have to draw this in your own style. And you can use any medium that you choose. And every Friday he picks the top 3 winners. So this is my take on his drawing. This is week 36, Draw This in Your Style. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Molly, want that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.